Hello fellow rangers, welcome back to the channel. Today you'll see me doing minor work to Jubilee this morning, such as engine detailing in all cars. No matter what car they are, needs their engine bay looking nice. It's one moment I'll find a better place to put the camera so that you can see what I'm doing. One moment. Alright, so pretty much you get a bottle of gunk. Fair enough, I know this is demon shine, but easier to spread it around without wasting too much. Get a little paintbrush, that's so. And then pretty much spray it lovingly. Don't be shy. You don't want to be shy about doing this because it needs to be spread around. You'll see why I've got the paintbrush in a moment. Paintbrush, essentially, work it all in so that you can get every little bit out. Doesn't matter what car you work on with it, from a car like Jubilee here to a modern car. It's all safe. Got nothing to be worried about with it. And if you're all wondering why I'm out of breath, it's because I'm an asthmatic. Unfortunately, I get a little bit out of breath. Right, and then all you do after you brush it over a little, just get a little drop of water, and you rinse it off. Yes, it has been raining a little bit here today at Fort Ranger. Right. And then, as you can see, a lot of it has come off. So a couple of times going over it with it, and pretty much that's all you need to do. As you can see, there's a massive improvement on it already. But now all we gotta do is simply get a cloth such as this and just wipe it down, so that it can just bring up all the shine on it. None of this is hurting the engine bay for people who ask, or might ask, because there's always someone out there going, oh yes, you shouldn't put water in your petrol engines, but as long as you're careful, you're alright. See, just that little bit of wipe over now, and on the bulkhead here, makes it look like £1 million worth. Don't use a good rag for this because it can be a quite mucky job. Can be, oops, sorry, there's me thinking I'm talking to you, see what I'm doing, and you're not. That yellow coolant pipes as well. And pretty much that's all it is to doing a tidy up an engine bay like this. Yes, I know it's not a professional way of doing the job, but I'm not a professional, I'm just an amateur that likes getting his hands dirty. And as if you already haven't noticed, I've popped up the headlights so that I can get underneath there, but I'll get a rag underneath there in a minute. And you can compare that side I've already done to this side. Muggy, isn't it? Well, it'd be a couple of seconds for you, but there'd be about an half hour to an hour before you catch up with me, and then she'll be virtually done to what I can do for now. Yeah, as you can see, even just after a little bit of wipe over with some gunk, massive improvements on that. Compared to obviously this side where I haven't touched it yet, to this side, this little car does really come out quite well. One of the easiest little cars I've ever had to work on, as in cleaning wise. Well, see you in a couple of seconds for you, half hour for me. There we are, just a little bit of work. Fair enough, it needs a little bit more of a wipe over, but I'll do that now. Oh, just comes up lovely. Mad to think this is a 31-year-old car. Very nice. Very nice, very nice. Yeah, so now time to do around the fuel filler cap. A very important place, you do not want any dirt to get into your fuel. Well, and Mr. Peter Jones would not be too pleased if I didn't clean it as well. And rightly so, I should clean it. There we are, as good as new. Or new enough. That's the way it should be. And just a quick question to anyone that's got one could you tell me, does all MX-5s have this sticker? Because it seems like this sticker is very popular with them. All of the other MX-5s I have owned in the past has had this sticker. And I'm wondering, is it a standard thing, or is it something that someone has just randomly started doing and then went from there with it? Thank you very much for watching the video, everyone. It may not be to everyone's taste, but it does help you look after your cars if you do those sort of things with them. If you did like the video, please put a like on it, because it does help the channel a lot. We've had according to the YouTube studio, we've had people from America, Canada even, watching the videos, as well as obviously the UK. So if you have liked the video, put a like on it. It just spreads the videos out even further than how far they're going at the moment. And if you haven't subscribed already, click on the subscribe button and then on the bell icon, and then you'll always know when I'm uploading again, even in Malcolm or Jubilee or in something else. Also, and just to remind everyone, or if this is your first video that you've seen with me today or anytime, me and the legendary cut YouTuber of the name of Carbor, Mr. Elliot himself, we've created a little Facebook group so that everyone can get in touch with us. If you've got any questions, you can ask us easier rather than just waiting until YouTube videos come up. And at some point we want to do a collaboration looking at a video where we look at your cars and see what projects you're working on. I think that would be very interesting to see, but we'll do that not just when my channel gets bigger, but also when the group gets bigger. But apart from that, all I gotta say is thank you very much for watching. If you have made it this far, I gotta say again, thank you very much for watching. You take care now, and bye.